Making money online with your smartphone is one of the best things you can do for yourself. Making money online with the social media platforms that you are always there 24/7 is the best thing you can give to yourself this October 2025, and even you plan for January and beyond 2026. Good morning, good afternoon. This is Christine on Immaculate Show. You guys, you can earn $10, $20, $50, $100, and even you can earn $1 with your smartphone. In today's video, I'm going to show you something, how you can start and how you can earn. It is going to be short and precise. I'm going to be reacting on my brother's or on my fan this comment. The comment reads, "I want to learn, please teach me." He or she reacted on a comment. I'm sorry to say he or she, because there are some people who put a profile for men when they are women. So I've learned to know that I should not directly go to he or she. He put this comment came on one of the videos, and it is not recently. That was very recent, and it is not the first comment. It is an educational video, and someone is putting, "Please teach me, I want to earn." One, you need to listen to the video all. Not only for me, whenever you want to learn something, you listen to the video all. Two, you even check the profile and continue and check other videos. This is my simple advice to everybody that wants to learn, because no one might give you 100% what you need. So having said that, you guys, one, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. This channel gives you the tips on how to make sure that you really make use of your smartphone, because now in this era, most of the time, out of 12 hours, most of us are always handling and are always checking and scrolling. Even we have forgotten that the time for a loo, people go with this. When it is on the dining, people are with the phone. In bed, people are with the phone. So this is now part of our life. If it is part of our life, it's our duty to make it productive. One is going to ask the same question, and I know there's majority of you are asking, how do I make money with my smartphone? And with the Immaculate Show, the primary method of us we teach people of how to make money with our smartphone and internet is not other than being paid directly by Google, by the algorithm, other ways you can be paid. You can be paid through freelancing, you can be paid brand sponsorship, you can be paid any other. You can even be paid by selling some things like a shop, gifts, but for us, the major one, we say, let you not struggle again to have an employer indirectly, to look for yourself an employer directly. Those ones should be the brand sponsorship. People want you to advertise things, they should be the secondary, not primary. So in simple way, teach me, I want to learn. I teach you, you want to learn. One, that means you have a smartphone, because you are commenting, you have a smartphone, or you have a laptop and anything. This is the basic requirement. Two, the good thing you want to learn. I want you also to know you are going to start. I'm going to teach you depending on your skill. But now let us leave the skill alone. I want you to sit down yourself and ask yourself, what do you want to learn? You want to learn how to make money. Which product do you want to give? Like me, the product I'm giving you a teaching product, educational product. And out of giving it to you, the system pays me. It pays me at the comfort of my home. Whenever, like right now, after shower, I said, no, I need to fast, at least to reply this question. Then after replying this question, I again settle. Either I can again relax, sleep, or I can do another things. Now, it's a disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a person giving you the tips that are helping me, that are helping other people, and I'm bringing them here. So when you have your idea, you have your smartphone. The third thing you need to have is persistence, is focus. Minus focus, you'll come back here and say, you lied me. There is no money on social media, but there is money on social media. 1, after having the phone, after having the idea, after having the focus, you need to get that idea and turn it to content. You can either, content has different ways. It has videos, it has blogs, it has posts, it has photos, name them. There are different ways, but you need to know which platform do you want to do it with. Now that you gave this comment on YouTube, I guess you want to learn on how to do it on YouTube. If you want to do it on YouTube, like the one I'm doing it on YouTube, you'll get this smartphone. Simple. If you're to make videos like how I'm doing them, you will be making your videos, if you're using a smartphone, not a camera, it should be vertical. If at all you've made a video in horizontal, that is another tutorial if you want to know how to turn it into 16:9 in a horizontal form for YouTube. And this applies for videos longer than 3 minutes if you don't want to make a short. But if you have to make shorts you have to press your phone like this. So I'm not teaching you about shooting tricks. No, I'm only giving you some basics. So whenever you record your videos, go get some editing apps. Editing apps are many. We have CapCut, we have InShot, we have InVideo, we have VN, very many. Get the one of your choice. Edit this video. Why should you edit? There are some things you need to cut. If you're a beginner, it's very hard to be perfect. Make sure this video, if it is more than 3 minutes, but as a beginner, make it 9 minutes, because you need watch hours. Since you're telling me you're a beginner and other people were beginners, the aim is to make sure you make money. And me, I always say we aim higher. Right now, as you're watching me, I might be aiming at millions. It doesn't mean that I'm going to get millions today. Don't get it twisted. If you can't get millions today, but you have a beginning, you have a start, continue. I encourage you, if you're a beginner, post as many as you can. Don't look. The only thing, look for basics, look for good things, look for best practices. Are you supposed to look for subscribers? If you're a beginner, yes, look for subscribers. Tell your friends, tell your relatives if you want. But my advice, don't tell them, because they will affect you when you're already monetized. So having known this, post regularly. Whatever you press your hand on, press it, because the aim is to make sure that we make some good bucks of money. So if you want to earn good amount of money, you have to post regularly. Be focused, be consistent. Okay? You have to be your own. You have to be authentic. What are the advantages of being authentic? When you're being authentic, things come out themselves naturally. But when you fake it, when you copy and paste without editing it, it will not. So thank you very much. If you think I've given you the basic, this is something that you can start with, please write it in the comment section. And if you need more, because now there are clusters, this is how to begin by them. So do you want to expand it more? If you want me to expand it more, still put it in the comment section. See you in another video.